Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I thought I would come on. I got these. Becky sent these to me for Christmas, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna come on and try these. I've never seen these before. I don't know what they are. So, um, she said, which I've not seen them. I know who Karen Campbell is. I'm actually in her Facebook group, and I had subscribed to one of her classes. But she said she uses these, and I've never seen them, so we're going to see. I haven't been on Facebook much, so maybe it's something new. We'll see. But they're skin tone acrylic painter. Don't know what that is. But I have my marker paper here. Oh. Oh, my. Oh, they're markers? Like literal? Okay. I'm not going to open every single one and try them, but I will try the darkest and the lightest, because I have to unwrap them all, and that's a whole thing with me, you know. So these look like paint pens, which is what they're called. Water-based. Oh, okay. So that's not like a oil. Come on now. When you can't see with your glasses on and you're having a hard time seeing without them. This is why I can't do them all. Take me forever. Forever. I'm not loving that one. Might as well just do this one, although I'm loving that red one too. Let's see how pigmented they are. Come on. Give me a chance. Let me do this. I hope you guys have had a fantastic holiday, and I wish you all a happy new year. Let's hope this is the year. I picked my word. Usually it's breathe. It's always going to be breathe because this girl got to learn how to breathe. But I'll be in my next video. I'll show you. I'll go through all that. But I hope you guys, you know, are doing good. So, okay, pigment ink, strong, covering force, sunproof, and waterproof. Which, if it's waterproof, all right. I have a little leakage. Maybe that's normal. I don't know if you can see that, but shake the pen before using. Press the tip to release air. Press it several times. Okay. So let's shake it. Let's shake them all together, because we like to pretend like we are like a superhero, and we're just going to shake it. Now you can see on the bottom I have ManyCam. That's the I get asked that quite a bit, but this is the ManyCam recording software, because I want to, oh, I'm shaking my whole desk. I want to record, like, I want to be able to vlog or like talk to you guys, but then I want to be able to do this. It's a whole thing in my head. We're going to see if I can ever get it to work, but it ain't going to be today. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to push it down. I'm going to do this first. I'm going to go a couple times to get, all right, my desk is not even, apparently. Which, who's that a surprise to? Okay. What? That is nice. That is nice. Make sure you push that back on. Do the dark one. Same kind of thing. Push it, push it, push it, push it. I can see the ink coming down. There we go, sis. Oh, yeah. Oh, they go over each other, too. I mean, that one obviously is still wet. Oh. I'm going to do it light to see what happens. Look at that. Ooh. Whoever found these, they are quite nice, and I'm so blessed. All right, same thing. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, downtown. Okay. Look at that. I feel like I have to let them dry more, but they are opaque. And I mean, look, it's going over that brown. Let me just go. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. I wonder if they have refills for these. Like, because I could see myself with these tips, I don't know what they're made out of, but I could see after a while me like smushing it out. So it says that you can write on skin, paper, glass, cloth, metal, and plastic. Oh, ho, ho. That means I can write on, maybe they have other brands. I can use these on like polymer clay and whatnot. Oh, nice. Well, these are delightful. So I'm very grateful. But I wanted to show you these because in case somebody is not aware of them, I'm going to open them all later. Those are nice. I'm going to really play with those at another time. I wonder if they can write over acrylic paint, which I'm sure we will see. We will test it. But that's nice. And look, this is just marker paper. Nothing, you know, too fantastic. That's nice. Oh my goodness. Well, if you are interested, I'm going to lose this one. I'm going to link this down below in my, if you want like to go to my Amazon store, I get a couple pennies. You know, if you buy off my link, if you're interested in those or anything else on Amazon, just click down below. And our link is there, but I'm thrilled. So thank you so much. Okay. Well, guys, this is a shorty, but I wanted to say, hey, how you doing? I wanted to thank Becky for these, and I wanted to just wish you guys a new year. I will be back with an art video, obviously, but okay, so it takes a minute to dry. That's what I wanted to see. All right, not mad at that. I mean, if it was paint, it would be the same way. So, I mean, there's no bad in that. But anyway, yeah, I love you guys. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Please join me in my next video, which I'll probably be uploading today, on working on the background I did the other day. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for sticking by us these past few months. I don't know what happened. It's just been bad, but let's hope here's for all of us for a good year. I love you guys. Bye.